Hello everyone, this is Qasim. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can register sidebar widget in WordPress. So this is a dashboard WordPress admin panel, and inside widget section here, right side here, we will just register a new sidebar widget for the footer text. Okay, so how we can do this? I just found a code from WordPress developer website, right? So this is the code. Add a sidebar. You just need to copy this code and change the title and sidebar name according to your widget name, as I am going to register as a footer widget. So I will change this text, and after that we will going to add this code in function.php. Copy this code and go to function.php file. At the bottom, before the closing php tag, we will just add here our widget here. You can also put a comment here. It will be easily identified by others. All right. Also, you can change this text. All right. So after doing this, you can just update this one, and this by this name widget should be registered here. So this is our new widget here. So right now we can just uh, add a text here. So let me copy the text. We will save this, and on the next step is we are going to show this widget here at the bottom. Before this, here we will show the text. All right, so let's go back and go to the page, this page. If this is the template or custom page, then you go to the template. Right now we are using custom footer, this one, and this is our copyright text inside footer file. And before this, I have made a section for the new widget text. All right, so here we will put the php code. So what is the php code that we are going to use? So let's say this is the php code that will show the sidebar. So here we will put the id of our newly registered widget. You can just inspect from here, and this is the id of new widget. Just copy this and paste it here. All right, this is opening and closing, and let's save this. and check here. Alright, so this is the text that we just entered in the widget section using text widget. Alright, so you can just style this using CSS and change this color, font family, and according to your requirement. Yeah, so this is how we can add new widget, new sidebar widget, and this is how we can display uh, in the footer or wherever you want